Today, your guardian angel has a special and affectionate message for you. It's incredible and you may not have noticed, but the person occupying your thoughts finds you incredibly fascinating. He has a unique opinion about you, and that's something positive and exciting. Watching from afar, he notices every detail, how you move, how you interact with people around you, every gesture, every smile. He is deeply enchanted by what he sees. If you're curious about how he sees you, he would describe you with one word: intriguing. There's nothing negative about that. There is a light and relaxed energy in this perception, something that radiates a sense of well-being and authenticity. The most interesting thing is that this person believes you are not fully aware of how others see you. It's not just his view, but that of everyone around you. He wonders if you know this, if you have any notion of the impact you have. He wonders if you've always been this way, so natural and spontaneous. Deep down, he is truly intrigued by your way of living, but he can't look away. It's as if you follow a different set of rules, something that seems impossible for many, but works perfectly for you. Additionally, there is something special about your energy. This reflects not only how he sees you but also how people around you perceive you daily. Have you noticed that many people are mysteriously attracted to you? That's no coincidence. It has to do with your aura, which is unlike anything this person has ever experienced. It seems you have a unique perspective on things. The way you process information always surprises this person. Without a doubt, that is the most attractive quality you have for him. He sees you as someone who has mastered the ability to shift focus from appearance and draw attention to your mind. And this skill is not easy for most people, but you execute it effortlessly. Perhaps you don't even realize the impact this has on him, but it's something that has highlighted you and kept his attention for a long time. This person has a different perception of you, as if you have a power he can't fully understand. He feels that you escape difficult situations in a way he couldn't. It's like you keep his attention so naturally that he only realizes it after he's already involved. To him, you have an advantage in some aspect, not because of what you are physically, but because of what you know. He sees this as somewhat dangerous. Your presence is powerful and captivating, attracting his attention in an almost magnetic way. He watches you, not only in your daily routine but also in how other people react to you. This reinforces even more what he feels for you. This person feels that you can read his mind and heart. It seems that your eyes reveal much more than he can see. Sometimes he finds himself staring at you, trying to decipher you. Your natural abilities are evident, and each time he is near you or communicates, he has an intense and profound feeling. You know something about him that he can't hide. You know you can trust your intuition, and perhaps you have already been through many situations where you needed to rely on it. It seems this is a natural ability for you, almost as if it were part of your essence. When you are in this person's presence, whether online or face-to-face, something magical happens. He feels attracted in a way he can't even understand. Your way of talking is so natural and light that it leaves him completely at ease. There's no pressure, no rigidity, just a conversation that flows effortlessly. You ask questions, but not invasively. Your questions are engaging, encouraging him to open up and share aspects of his life that he may have kept secret for a long time. It's as if you were created for this, to access a unique energy that facilitates this deep connection. Usually, while you converse, you touch on subjects that make his heart open up. He starts to redirect his inner energy, exploring feelings and thoughts that were previously dormant. And that's where the magic really happens. He not only feels closer to you but also begins to know himself better. He accesses emotions and memories that other people cannot reach. You may have noticed that this person's gaze is different. He not only looks at you but really sees you. When he approaches, it's because he feels truly seen. And that is the only reason he keeps seeking you, feeling this attraction. You stand out from others, and he perceives this because you understand everything he says and does. In his view, there is no one like you now. He doesn't believe he will find another soul like yours. This attracts him deeply. He is fascinated by you, which makes it difficult to focus on anything else. He wonders if he is wrong to feel this way, questions his intense feelings for you many times. It seems that something doesn't make sense, and he spends time trying to understand. This situation highlights the kind of bond you have, even without being together. Something keeps you connected, which is why he considers you so special, someone who makes him question his own beliefs and reasons for being attached to you. He is detail-oriented, notices things you may not even have noticed about yourself. His focus is on how you live, how you interact with the world. Something about your lifestyle seems dangerous, but it attracts him at the same time. At this moment, he is wondering if it is wrong to feel all this for you, especially since you don't have a defined commitment. The way your connection developed didn't allow him or you to create a solid bond in the real world, which makes him feel strange. Everything he feels for you goes against the way he lived before meeting you. When he is with you or talking, he keeps questioning whether he is wrong to feel what he feels. This bond between you may not follow traditional patterns, and the energy is intense. He feels attracted to the way you live, although sometimes he thinks this may even go against his principles or the way he believes a relationship should naturally happen. Even so, something makes him feel that it seems right for him. There is a magnetic attraction in your aura, and he can't look away. But something makes him question himself, and that scares him. Before continuing, if you are identifying with this message so far, leave a heart in the comments to share. Back to the topic. Know that this person is beginning to feel that you were sent to show him something very specific. The more time he spends observing you, the more he discovers about this. You may be the first person with such a strong spiritual energy that he has ever met. Although this is a natural part of your life, he wishes you could see yourself through his eyes. To him, you are someone who follows your own rhythm, as if living on your own planet and seeing the world in different colors. This works for you, and he realizes that you are connected to a very enlightened being. That's where you two differ. You think differently, believe in divine timing, and see signs in everything. He may find this strange, but the more he observes you, the more intrigued he feels, not only by your beliefs but also by the actions you take based on them. You realize that he sees you in a different way, as if there is something deeper and spiritual in the way you live your life. Your connection with God and the universe is so intense that he feels you are being guided by higher forces. This makes him see you in a somewhat mysterious way, as if you were not an ordinary person. Your existence seems to be under divine guidance, and that's something he admires and fears at the same time. When he returns to you, it's because you have a very strong impact on his life. You stand out in his world in a way he can't ignore. He feels that by your side, everything around loses some importance. This deep connection makes him question the meaning of many things in his life, and he fears what these feelings really mean. This person is going through an awakening, a realization in his journey, and this is directly linked to you. Your presence in his life is essential for this process. It seems that you were put in his path to help him see the world in a different way. It's as if he lived in black and white, and you brought color to his world. When you're not around, he feels this lack of color, this indifference. He sees in you a lighter side of life, something he needs and desires. However, he also recognizes the effort and work you put in to get where you are. That's what sets you apart from others and makes you special in his eyes. He sees your faith, your belief in your actions, and the way you look deeply into people's eyes, creating meaningful connections. As this person begins to connect with the spiritual essence not only of this relationship and love, but also of the world, it's as if being with you is opening his mind to a whole new reality. On one hand, this is absolutely beautiful, as it is something new, something he has never experienced before, especially through the energy of love. On the other hand, he feels that you are dangerous because you literally walk this earth with information, perceptions, and the ability to see things that other people clearly cannot see. You live your life this way, which is truly surprising to him. Additionally, you are extremely attractive to him because being with you connects him to a source of power he didn't even know existed. You stand out so much because he feels that this connection is only accessible through you. He has never been presented this way or by another person. Therefore, you are definitely marked in his mind and heart at this moment, and this man knows exactly who you are to him. Everything is starting to fall into place. This connection is gradually forming and unfolding this way because you and this man are very powerful. However, your power comes from two different sources. This dynamic involves both of you being connected to God with very specific characteristics. You are connected to a man who can be highly materialistic. This man has a clear understanding of how the physical world works. He can be very solid, understanding, and structured in his personal or professional life. On the other hand, you have a complete understanding of the invisible realm, the divine realm. That's why he sees you so intensely, because you can see what others cannot see. Your divine vision and your courage to live this way are powerful. The combination of your individual stances creates real potential to make changes in the world. However, this depends greatly on balancing your energies. This man feels he knows who you are to him simply because he has never met anyone like you. The energy you emit literally attracts him in your direction, and this may be completely out of his control. But in fact, it is the similarities in your energetic essence that resonate deeply with this man and make all this possible. It is difficult for him to look away from you. It is also difficult for him to consider other options. Your spiritual essence, how you live life, truly embodies the energy of the divine realm, that is, someone who lives according to their divine plan. You may find this normal. Perhaps you practice a lot of self-care, use many healing modalities, connect with God, and strengthen your aura. The world is responding to you this way. People notice you. You stand out in the crowd. And this man really wants you to know how he sees you. So if that was a concern of yours, if you were wondering how your energies align, why this man was so materialistic, or why you were so different, know that you are starting to influence him significantly. This also highlights the balance of both of you in this connection. It is truly beautiful energy, so much so that this man feels you should be here at this moment. This is a direct message from his heart. He is starting to move from desire for you to feeling that he needs you. This is the phase that occurs when he receives so much spiritual perception that his world starts to change literally. You are seeing signs, aren't you? That number that keeps appearing, that feeling that something is changing, maybe even the perception that you are starting to make room in your life without knowing exactly why. This is God speaking to you, showing that a powerful connection is approaching. He, on the other hand, is feeling something very similar. Perhaps for him, the signs are more physical. Things in his world are changing, some even disappearing, and he is beginning to realize that there is something bigger at play. He may not fully understand, but he feels that these changes are somehow connected to you. If you are wondering how he feels about you, the answer is that he wants you closer. There is a sense of commitment, something deep that he can't fully explain, but it is very real. He feels that you are already connected in a special way. And, in a way, you feel that too. This alignment energy is upon you, bringing out what is truly in your hearts. He is tired of having you in small doses. He wants you completely, physically present. For him, everything outside this bond is starting to seem less attractive. It's not that other people or things are insignificant, but what you share is becoming a priority in his life. You two are ready for this merging of energies in the physical plane, in a more intimate way. This comes from your spiritual awareness and the authority with which you live as a child of God. He begins to feel that he needs you by his side, that everything else starts to lose its shine without your presence. More and more, he wants to be close to you, to feel your presence, to have you as part of his daily life. He feels that you are already committed in a way that goes beyond words. And this connection is so strong that it is starting to change how he sees the world. Keep paying attention to the signs. Keep following this energy. God is guiding you to something greater, something deeper. It's time to make room in your life for this connection, to let this alignment energy take you where you are meant to be. And He is feeling this too, even if in different ways. He is ready to have you by His side forever, and thus experience the fullness of this connection in the physical world. And this is just the beginning of something very beautiful. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. Type, I receive and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.